In this section, we'll see how to work with files in Python. We'll be starting with how to open up a text file in Python. So here you can see we have a sample file created, which is just having some numbers printed, and we will be exploring how we can read this file or open this file in Python. So here you can see we have a main method defined, and inside that we have the open method, which expects the file name as parameter or file path as parameter, and it's just going to return you an iterator, and that iterator will have all the lines of the file. So here you can see we are just saying for line in F we are printing the line. Then there are a couple of optional parameters that we can provide in this method. So here the default mode when the file gets opened is read-only mode, and the default type is text. There are two types, text and binary. We'll be exploring that as well in upcoming lectures. And here if you have to specify the mode specifically, you can do so. So here I can say R for read, and it will read an existing file. W for write, it's going to clear any data that is there in an existing file, and it will rewrite it. If the file does not exist, it will create that file. Then we have append mode as well, so it will work with an existing file, or if the file is not existing, it will create one and write data to it. Otherwise, for existing ones, it will just append the data in the existing file. Now there's additional plus symbol that we can use along with read write mode. So here if I say R plus, that means we are saying make it writable as well. So that you can use, and then the default type, as I mentioned, is text, but you can also go for binary. We'll see its usage in upcoming lectures. So here let's go ahead now, and the default type, as I mentioned, is text. Mode is read only. Let's save this and run it now, and there you can see the output is coming as 1 2 3 4 5 6, but there are spaces here, and in case you want to get rid of them, you can make use of the rstrip function. Now this rstrip function strips out all the white spaces, including new lines, from the end of the line. That's why we have rstrip. Let's save this now and run it again, and this time you can see there's no spaces in between, and the content of the file is printed over here line by line. So that was opening up a text file in Python.